Welcome back to Punta Cana, all you can see. Welcome back to the beautiful Dominican Republic. Today I'm showing you a part of it, a part that's really non-touristic with a lot of nice scenery and a lot of real Dominican Republic. We're going spider hunting and sleep in a treehouse. I show you how to get here, the approximately cost, and what it's maybe a good idea to bring. So let's get going. Dominican Republic, Punta Cana, all you can see. We are driving to Las Lisas, a little village not too far from Bavaro. The highway Bavaro Miches leads you directly to the village entry, but we chose to get off the highway shortly after Las Lagunas de Nisibon, drive through the little village of Lavacama, and from here to the beach. The road along the beach is approximately 12 to 15 kilometers long, and you need a car that can handle the sand. But then it's quite exciting and beautiful to drive along the ocean. When you come to the red house, you take a turn to the left and come back to the highway. We stopped in Los Guineos for lunch. That's just between the two entrance roads that lead you to Las Lisas. And we stopped at Livida's house for a cool Dominican lunch. We started with arepas de yuca, made out of the yuca root and fried. We had a beautiful view to Laguna Limon from where we were sitting. And then we had the typical Dominican lunch. We had rice, beans, chicken, and salad. Price per person, 500 pesos. The phone number you will find down in the description of this video. We also had fruits for dessert and coffee, which we just couldn't eat anymore. And then we drove to Terra Nova, the ranch where we are staying overnight. How cool is that, huh? Let's get and unpack the sissy and bring it all up there to where we stay. Bed, bunk bed. Baño and our balcony. Jungle balcony. There's the river. Over there is Jackie's house. There's another house. The shower, and good thing is when you take a shower, water goes right away through. the wood into, well, wherever, the river. You don't even need the drain. I can see through. Okay, whatever. Take it as it is. Bathroom, check. Not only long pants, but we also had off spray, deep woods for the mosquitoes or against them. So we'd be on the safe side. Let's go over and check out Jackie's apartment. Only one bed over here, queen size. She also had her own bathroom. We both had a fridge.
Yes.
And this is the view from her balcony. A true paradise for nature lovers. If you want to go for a hike, just tell the staff that you are going. The area is private property, but it's no problem to walk here if you close the gates behind you. Cows and horses walk free, and if they see an open gate, they also go exploring. We don't want that. Walk up the mountain and soak in the wide and lush Dominican countryside. You will be rewarded with the most beautiful views. So what do we have here?
Oh, I believe a very hungry cow.
Most likely it's a horse skull that we found here in the countryside. After the big lunch, we skipped dinner and just sat there with a glass of red wine, watching the lightning bugs and making plans for our hunt when it's really, really dark. We're going out to look for something. So we are out here at night because Jackie really wants to see a cacata, one of the big spiders. So we are here with flashlights and we are searching. And we're in the middle of the countryside. They should be everywhere, but we don't see one. Despite our intense search, we never found a tarantula. Maybe next time. Got so cold last night. 4 o'clock. Thank God I brought my blanket. Hola, mi amor. Hola, mi querida. Bring milk for coffee. So much cacao on one tree. Crazy. Buen día. ¿Hay café? Here in the restaurant, there is also internet, so I'm working a little bit. It's a good combination. I just have to do some emails and check some things and then enjoy the rest of the day. But if you have to work, there is internet and you can get a little bit of work done here also. The ranch here has 7 or 8 houses to rent. We paid 2,000 pesos for the night, including breakfast per person. Each of us had one house. They have the little river down there. They have the pool, 2 restaurants, one up here and one down by the river. The rooms are pretty basic, but you have actually everything that you need to spend a night or 2 nights there and explore the surroundings. We came over Playa Lavacama, but also Playa Limon and Laguna Limon. The lagoon are very close and you can make a trip down there also. There's also a little waterfall close by where you can hike to. I put you the link because I've already been there and really there are a lot of mosquitoes, but it's beautiful. You can visit the rancho just by itself to relax a couple of days, or you can use it also when you're traveling the country to make a little stop if you're going, for example, from Punta Cana to Miches or to Sabana de la Mar and spend a night or 2 here, explore the area and then go and travel on. Whatever you do, enjoy your time here in paradise. So you're coming from the autopista from Bavaro, and here it says Las Lisas. And then you just drive in there. And then you just drive in there until you come to Rancho Terra Nova. You also can drive a little bit further down and take the next one, which goes really steep up high. That's where we went yesterday. And follow the road. There's only one road. You still come. You also come to Rancho Terra Nova. That's how you get here. Highway Bavaro Miches. Get off Las Lisas if you don't go over the beach in Lavacama. This is the nicer road, but you need a 4x4 to come through the 6 sand.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue, la casa de la bachata. La, 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 la casa del merengue. La, 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 y la casa de la bachata.